गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स आज हम लेटर टू एडिटर, हाउ द लेटर टू द एडिटर आर रिटन, वो हम देखने वाले हैं. सो न्यूज़पेपर एंड मैगजीन प्ले एन इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल इन शेपिंग आर माइंड. हम हर रोज़ न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ते हैं, मैगजीन पढ़ते हैं. सो वी गेट लॉट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन आउट ऑफ सच सोर्सेज एंड दे हाईलाइट मैनी लोकल एंड नेशनल एंड इंटरनेशनल इश्यूज़. हर एक कोई भी तुम न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ो तो उसके अंदर बहुत सारे नेशनल इंटरनेशनल इश्यूज़ के बारे में बातें होती है. तो सम लीडिंग नेशनल डेलीज हैव लैक्स ऑफ रीडर. और कितने नेशनल न्यूज़ पढ़ो उसके अंदर कितने सारे रीडर्स होते हैं, 10 लाख रीडर्स. इन कंट्री लाइक इंडिया आई वुड से टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया इज read बाय lakhs of people. Sometimes news items और आर्टिकल इवोक वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग. कभी कभी कोई न्यूज़ आइटम या आर्टिकल पढ़ने के बाद it creates lot of strong feeling in us and reaction among the reader. और रीडर्स के अंदर एक रिएक्शन क्रिएट कर देता है. सो दे एक्सप्रेस दर एग्रीमेंट डिसएग्रीमेंट, और उसको पढ़ने के बाद हम उससे एग्री होते हैं, डिसएग्री होते हैं. समटाइम वी एक्सप्रेस अवर रिएक्शन टूवर्ड्स दोज इश्यूज़. और जो इश्यूज़ लाइफ में बनते हैं उसके लिए भी हम क्या करते हैं, वी एक्सप्रेस अवर थाट्स. दे गिव देयर ओपिनियन ऑन सोशल, पॉलिटिकल एंड इकोनॉमिक इश्यूज़ बाय राइटिंग लेटर्स टू द एडिटर्स. और ये जो लोग होते हैं वो सोशल, पॉलिटिकल और इकोनॉमिक इश्यूज़ पे अपने आइडियाज़ देते हैं एंड दे राइट अ लेटर टू द एडिटर. अब एडिटर को लेटर लिखने के लिए एक्चुअली ही इज़ नॉट एडवाइजिंग द एडिटर. थ्रू द मीडियम ऑफ एडिटर he wants to create awareness in the society that people would be more aware about our social, political and economic issues. तो ऐसा एक लेटर हम आज लिखना है. ओके, लेटर टू द एडिटर. ये एग्ज़ाम में बहुत बार पूछा गया है. सो लेट्स गो थ्रू द फर्स्ट लेटर. R.K. Singh is a resident of Karol Bagh, New Delhi. After reading the following newspaper article, he writes a letter to the editor of a local newspaper expressing his strong resentment against the noise pollution caused by the playing of loudspeakers, marriage procession, DJs during wedding reception, etc. Using ideas from the article together with your own ideas, write a letter describing the problem and making a request to the concerned authorities to solve it. So basically this letter is about that in India we just find an occasion to make noise, and sometimes it is called holy noise. Means why the word holy noise is used here, because we have so many holy festivals, and on that occasion we create unnecessary noise that actually harm our body, our mind and soul, but still for the sake of God we do everything. So holy noise, a great source of pollution. Delhi has here the article on, you have to read, and on the basis of this article you are supposed to write a letter. So I'll read that article. It contains only 5 to 7 lines. Delhi has already earned the distinction of being the 4th most polluted city in the world. Imagine what kind of noise a city can create, and it is said that if you expose yourself to such extent of noise, then it can create really hazardous effect to your mind and body. It also create a lot of stress in our whole system. But the residents are victims not only of the air, water pollution, but also of the noise pollution, which is playing havoc. It is creating a lot of problems with the peace-loving senior citizen. Senior citizen, they want peace in their life. They want to live their life very comfortably. The rest of their life, they want nothing but peace. The sick and the student, the playing of loudspeaker for religious purposes at night, marriage procession, DJs, and have been forcing lakhs of Delhi wala. Means here we can say whatever city we belong to, but that has become the common scenario of our cities to spend sleepless night. And as there is no law against the playing of music and loudspeaker, this liberty is being misused, throwing discretion and good sense to the winds. So reading this article you have to write a letter. So what is the format of letter to the editor? First of all, you have to write your name, your first name, last name, then address, date, then one line space to the editor, name of the daily, name of the newspaper, and address, one line space, then subject you can write attack of noise pollution, then dear sir, yeah, respected sir, and then you can make 1, 2 and 3 paragraph. So it is not necessary that you have to make 3 paragraph. You can complete in 2 paragraphs too. Okay, now along with air and water pollution, our cities are also under an attack of noise pollution. Delhi, it seems, is no more pleasant place to live in. अब दिल्ली भी ऐसा कोई प्लेस नहीं रहा है कि जहाँ हम रह पाए. Here you can quote an example of any city, not necessary, because in this letter we are talking about Delhi. You can write about Ahmedabad also. Look, the place I live in, every day, because you can say 24/7, any time that I'm exposed to this barking of dogs, and so many times you people have also suffered this thing while I'm teaching. Anytime I'm under the attack of this barking of noise, and I have to bear it. I can't do anything. Okay, because the people living around me, they feel they are doing a holy work of breeding this, the street dogs, these mongrels. Okay, and they don't know, they don't feel that what problem they can create. If we have 15 to 20 dogs in our surrounding, you can imagine, okay, what kind of noise they can create. No, not create, they create every day. Okay, and I'm no exception. I have to bear it every day. So what we are talking about, along with air and water pollution, our cities are also under an attack of noise pollution. Delhi, it seems, is no more a pleasant place to live in. It has already earned a bad name as being the 4th most polluted city in the world. Just imagine, take an example, Ahmedabad, Delhi, Mumbai. These are the most polluted cities as far as air pollution, water pollution, or you can say whatever the pollution is. All type of pollution have crept in our lives, and even though we want to get out of it, we can't. We don't have any exception, and living in village areas is next to impossible for us. However, the residents of Delhi are the victims of another kind of pollution these days, and that is noise pollution. And this noise pollution, really, we never know what problem it is creating, and there is a general tendency to underestimate the harmful effects of noise pollution. अपने इंडिया में जैसे अगर कोई बहरा हो ना, if somebody is not able to listen to or is not able to hear, he is hard of hearing, तो उसे लोग क्या मानते हैं पता है, उनको ऐसा ही लगता है कि हाँ ओके हार्ड ऑफ हियरिंग है ना, सो इट इज़ नेवर कंसिडर्ड दैट सीरियस. उसे कंसिडर करते ही नहीं है, सीरियस नहीं कंसिडर करता है. नॉइस पॉल्यूशन तो नॉइस करते ही रहता है. एंड वी आर सो यूज टू इट दैट वी इग्नोर द अटैक ऑफ नॉइस पॉल्यूशन. अपने इतने यूज टू हो गए कि वी डोंट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड द ग्रीमनेस, द सीरियसनेस ऑफ नॉइस पॉल्यूशन इन आवर लाइफ्स दैट इज अफेक्टिंग the lives of lakhs of people, and continuously we are under this attack, and really we don't want to feel it. Like marriage procession, DJs during wedding receptions and birthday bashes destroy the peace and tranquility of the affected area. Sometimes loud music from neighborhood flat may destroy your night's sleep. Just suppose somebody has purchased a flat near a party plot, what his condition would be in marriage season, or in, we can say, in Navratri. His nights are really destroyed. He has to go through sleepless night. No doubt people have every right to enjoy and celebrate their happiness, but do you think what, at the cost of the people's peace, at the cost of people's tranquility, at the cost of people's, when people would have problem? No, it should not be. However, no one has the right of destroying the peace and harmony of place or person living there. But you would find that unnecessarily you would find people make noise. They even you will find people when they are talking on their mobile phone, they speak at the top of their voice. Okay, it means that if they feel, if they talk or if they speak at the top of their voice, the person at the other end would listen comfortably. It is not like that. Even if you speak slowly, it would be very easy, it would be easier, it would be more comfortable that the person at the other end can listen to. But they become the source of spreading noise pollution in our society. And this kind of people, really, we can't do anything. They are the part of it. We have to take care that students and their studies should not suffer due to noise pollution. And then look, when I'm teaching, when I'm taking online lectures, I have to suffer this barking of dogs. Okay, I can't do anything. Once it happened, when some student was asking, sir, there is a lot of noise of barking of these dogs. Okay, is this noise come from your end? I said yes. Okay, but really, if you want to study, then I can't do anything. You have to be part of it. Otherwise, okay, I didn't have any answer for that, and I just said that really, to go through this studying procedure, you have to bear it. So then there are the sick and the ailing people. Ailing means those people who are ill. Any attack of noise pollution is very harmful for their health. But such idiots, some stupid people, they don't understand the seriousness of their lives. They just want to enjoy more at the cost of these people. They don't understand that if something wrong happens, if something untoward happens with these people, who will be held responsible? But they don't feel it. As they don't feel it, they do it. Senior citizens should not be allowed to undergo such avoidable tortures. Senior citizens, really, after it is said that old age is our second childhood. In this age, they want more peace, tranquility, and they want mental soundness. We can say they want mental peace. But at that point of time, if they have to undergo such noise, then it becomes very harmful for their lives. We make a sincere request to the concerned authorities to take immediate and effective steps to regulate the playing of loudspeaker. So loudspeaker we are not against. Everybody has the right of enjoying himself, okay, but not at the cost of others. A loudspeaker should be played, okay, at a considerable noise that people can bear it. Marriage procession, where really in India marriage procession is like the biggest procession that we have. It is said marriages are, ऐसा बोलते हैं ना कि marriages कहाँ they are set in heaven, but they are celebrated on the earth, but not at the cost of others. DJs and etc. During wedding reception and on such occasion, people don't understand, and let no one's celebration be allowed to become an unbearable torture. So torture नहीं बनना चाहिए किसी के लिए for the other. And last, you can write yours truly and then your name. So this, you have gone through the writing of letter to editors. In this manner you can write a letter. Okay, so I will do one thing. I will send you two or three example of letter writing to editors, and you just go through it and do 1 or 2 examples. So it becomes because this is asked of around 6 to 7 marks in board exam. But if you try writing, then you won't have any problem. Okay, take care, bye.